minutes. Yes, it's that time again. 2 weeks ago. Oh, look, they've given me my seat, but I don't need it, so. 2 weeks ago, we were on the streets. Last week, we did somebody in the studio, so it really could be you today. Now, I have a few clues for you. Do you like aeroplanes? Do you live near aeroplanes? A bit more, there we are. Right, out now. Good clue. Do you like aeroplanes? Do you live near an airport, maybe? Does anybody in your family work with planes? If they do, smarten yourself up, because it could be you we make famous. For 5 minutes, right now. Right, there we are, there's our camera. Where is it? Well, it's about to be in your living room. If your name is Craig. Craig, where are you, Craig? There we are. Good morning, Craig. Welcome to Live and Kicking.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Good. Now, why... You look stunned, Craig. You look stunned.
Yeah.
Why do you think we've come... can I just say what a good haircut that is?
Thanks.
Was it recent?
Yeah, yesterday.
Yesterday. Now, why did you have your hair cut yesterday?
Because I'm working tonight.
Because you're working today. Now, what are you going to be doing today?
Playing the keyboard.
You're playing the keyboards as part of a 24-hour marathon, is that correct?
Yeah.
To raise money?
Yeah.
For who?
Handicapped Children's Pilgrimage Trust.
Right. Now, is this the sort of thing you get up to a lot?
Yeah.
It is. I know it is, because I had this letter. Dear Live and Kicking, I would like to nominate my friend Craig Martin for Famous for 5 Minutes. Craig is a very good keyboard player and likes to help his father raise money for charity. On Saturday the 19th of March, he is playing his keyboard at a 24-hour bowling marathon to try and raise money for handicapped children on a pilgrimage to Lourdes in France. This has come from, who do you think sent this letter to us?
Mum.
Your mum?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. No. I would like to nominate my friend. I know your mum's your friend, but she's also your mum. But Matt Hollis. Do you know Matt Hollis?
Yeah.
Yes, Matt actually doesn't know about this. So Matt hopefully is watching Live and Kicking. Hello, Matt. We've done it, you see. You kept it a secret, and it happened. So listen. Introduce me to your family.
This is my dad.
Yeah. Hello, Dad.
Hello, Andy.
How are you?
Very well, thanks.
Good.
This is Daniel.
Hello, Daniel.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
That's
Yeah.
my mum.
That's your mum.
Welcome to my home.
Oh, thank you. Wrong show. But thank you for saying it anyway.
This is Simon. He's there around.
Where's... Oh, hello, Simon. And that's his mum.
That's Tracy.
Oh, hello, Tracy, as well. Welcome. Now, can I just ask you one question, Craig?
Yeah.
When we had the trumpeter on, did you really say, oh, I could do better than that?
Yeah.
You did? Well, you're going to have to prove it today, because what we're going to do is we're going to take you down to the bowling alley where the 24-hour bowling marathon is going on, and instead of you sort of playing this evening, you're going to play for us live, on Live and Kicking, in 2 hours' time. Is that all right?
Yep.
Sounds good?
Yep.
What tunes can you play? Do you do a whole selection?
Yeah. Mainly sing-along stuff.
Sing-alongs?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's it. I tell you what, that's what we'll do. We'll have a massive Live and Kicking sing-along, yeah?
Yep.
Excellent, Craig. Go and catch your breath, because I can tell you are very stunned. You are
okay.
shocked. All right, and we'll speak to you later.
Okay, thanks.
All right, no worries. Thank you.
Bye.
What a polite chap, you see. If we burst into your living room, be as polite as Craig. Anyway, still to come...